Hi everyone, in this video we are going to take in-depth look on ARZOPA P156W 15.6 inch digital picture frame. Package contents. Overview. Installation. Step 1. Insert the stand into the hole on the frame. Step 2. Insert power cord firmly. Step 3. Set your frame, language, Wi-Fi, frame naming, time zone, etc. Step 4. Download and install Frameo app in App Store iOS or Google Play Android. How to use. Step 1. Connecting a new friend. Step 2. Send photos/videos to the frame. Take a picture or choose from your gallery. Choose one or more recipients. Set the scene with a caption. Choose the right part and send it. Features. Specifications. Troubleshooting. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.